Hey, my beautiful people, you already know that winters are the perfect season for the best fruits, vegetables, and flowers. And if you wish and if you want, you can make this season best for your health. Let's start. Hey, lovelies, this is Banisha, and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking. Let's start. So first, let's talk about sweet potatoes. Do you know the benefits of sweet potatoes? Start having it regularly, you must know it soon. Today we will not going to boil sweet potatoes. I am taking 4 small size sweet potatoes. Wash them properly and wipe them all like this. Coat the sweet potato skin with a few drops of oil and it will help to remove the skin later. So I have added some drops of oil and just spread it like this with your fingers. Look at this beautiful duck shape one. Turn on the flame now and put a steel stand. Keep the flame on low to medium, otherwise your all sweet potatoes will get burned. So you have to keep it low. This steel stand will help you to manage all sweet potatoes very easily, and you just have to cover it from the top like this with any vessel you have. And you have to roast it for 8 to 10 minutes and tada, our roasted and beautifully aromatic and charcoal flavored sweet potatoes are ready. You can have it like this. Otherwise you can make chaat out of it. So to make chaat, you just have to cut into small pieces. I'm cutting it into chips. Look at this, perfectly cooked from inside, and these golden marks are so tasty. You just have to take all of them into a bowl. Now it's time to make a beautiful tasty mixture. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of dry mango powder along with 1 tablespoon of water. So you just have to mix it and keep it aside. In a bowl over the sweet potatoes, just add half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, black salt and normal regular salt as to taste, along with some pinches of black pepper powder. So it's so amazing, so beautiful, just looking like a wow. At this point, we will add this dry mango water. Mix it very well. Look at this. I know you're gonna love this recipe and try it out. This amazing dry mango water will take the taste of it at another level. You just have to mix it. Now we'll add and boost the recipe with some drops of lemon, and you just have to squeeze half a lemon over it and just mix it and have it. Before that, I am going to enhancing the flavor also by adding some coriander leaves. These are fresh leaves. And according to me, without green chilies, chaat is incomplete. Do you know the benefits of green chilies? It can increase your metabolism. If you add 1 or 2 fresh green chilies into your diet regularly, you will feel the difference. It's why I am promoting green chilies so much. I don't know, but I have to. So this way you can make it as you want, obviously, and just mix it and have it. This is so popular dish in Delhi, and please do let me know how it is and have you tried it before. And I am waiting for your beautiful comments. I have added something new on my channel, which is these old videos in English language. So please support my channel and please support my videos also, as you all are doing. Thank you for watching my video. We will meet you very soon with an amazing one more recipe. Till then, bye bye.